I'm creating assembly. Okay, take some time. Mm, Put bottom-up approach. I really need import insert component browse. So I'm gonna do here. So this is, I should see a preview. This. So that's, we'll call her, that's the shaft. So my shaft is fixed, so I'll put that. Okay. Now assembly origin is here. Front, right, it's fixed. The origin of that. And the origin are different. So assembly origin show. You can show that, show this, and show this. Control this, mate. Coincident. Okay, I need to delete S. Close. So one of these, I have to remove this fixed thing. Plot. So this is the assembly. Control that. Okay. Center. All right. Now I can fix it. Fix. Component cross color. Okay, right here. Let me now. All that I need to do is, let me change color first. This color, you go to appearance. Let me change to this guy. Okay. Now select this and shift. No, I think press, hold, rotate, and mate, and select this surface. Okay, now aligned. Okay, and another constraint, distance between this guy and this guy. So it's selected phase 1, phase 4 at distance of let's say 40. Okay, now that's good enough. Okay, or maybe less. 5. Oh, I need to increase 50. Okay, now they're aligned. Okay, now done. Front view, front view top. Now I do motion study. I click that. When depressed, automatically creates key the current timer. So all that I need to do is drag this timer to this and rotate component. So you see here, insert components. Where are these are linear? Move component, this one, rotate. Okay, can rotate about entity. Delta x, delta y, which is about that origin. See, so x and y are around that origin. So now I want to see in the front. No, top. Okay, now I will rotate about, this is x, this is z, so about y axis. So x cross y, so y is what, which direction? Y is out of the page, right? So yeah, y is out of the page, so top. Okay, now I rotate that. You select this guy about y positive, so 60-degree, apply, pick that. Okay, move 60-degree. Now I will do another 60. Select this guy, apply, so I did another 60. Okay, then maybe let me do another 160. Apply. Oh, I have to select, apply. Now 30-degree. Let's do negative 30-degree. Negative 30. I need to drag this guy here. Select this, apply. So it's going back. Okay. Then after this, animate. After this, so we have this animation. This is the assembly keyframe generation. The orientation of the camera remain the same. Light, camera remain the same. The shaft constraint, it is fixed. And here is the connection. So, and there is the mates. Okay, the mates are maintained. Now, after this, what we do is animation wizard. Okay, click animation wizard. Rotate the model about x-axis or y-axis. Okay, then only after an explode collapse. So this wizard will help you to create simple animation automatically. rotate the model or explode, collapse, or you can import motion from basic motion, import from motion analysis, access study, mate controller. So and you do next. So you rotate this about y-axis, that's fine. Duration for 10 seconds is too much, so starting from 8 seconds um, for duration for 4 seconds. All right, next. Now up to 12. Okay, now what you do is calculate. Start from the beginning. Okay, calculate. First it rotates. So the camera didn't move from here to here. So let's see. Okay, that's it.